Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on Demolition Man. Stallone snipes. It's a 15, here's a front. The 21st century's most dangerous cop, the 21st century's most ruthless criminal. Here's a spine. And here's a back here. If you want to pause the video and read the description and the special features, because I'm not going to read them because it'll take forever. It's on for 110 minutes since the 15 contains strong language and occasional strong violence. Suits only a person of 15 years and over, not to be spied to any person below the age. And here's a disc. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my video and I'll see you in my next video and goodbye. Take care guys and peace.